Different. Question 9. Toby, oh well done. Toby's salary is £19,500 per year. I wonder what he does for that money. Anyway, he is paid the same every month. Okay, fair enough. He gets a 4% pay rise. What is his new monthly salary? Well, wait a minute. I've got to work out 4% of all that. Let's just divide it by 12 and we'll make that a 4% increase. So first we'll divide by 12 and we'll see how much he gets per month anyway. Oh lovely, you've got to do some divisions now. Great. How many 12s into 19500? 12s into 19 go roughly once, 7 left over. 12s into 75 go 6. Yes, 6 times 6 12s are 72, and that will leave me 3 left over. 12s into 30 go twice and 6 left over. That's right, and 12s into 60 go exactly 5 times. Therefore Toby gets £1,600 per month. Now that wasn't too bad, was it? And then we can do a wage rise of 4%. What is his new monthly salary? So let's work out 4% of that. Well, here we go. And let's go for 1% first. It's going to be divided by 100, £16.25. Let's go for 4%. Just multiply that by 4. So here we go. £16.25 multiplied by 4. Let's ignore the decimal point for now. Anyway, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, plus 2 is 10. Decimal point now. 4 16s, we can do this, can we? Let's not. 4 6s are 24, plus 1 is 25. 4 1s is 4, plus 2 is 6. Therefore, what's this say? He gets what's his new monthly salary? Right, there's 4% added on, and so we're now going to make the final sum as follows. He's going to get 1625, add on the £65 with the wage rise, and we're going to get £1,690 exactly, and that goes for Toby. Alrighty then, Toby, well done my son. Okay, what's this? Question 10, too much to read, can't be bothered. Question 11's got is the first one with a little star on it. Well, that's serious, it's got a little star on it, isn't it? Or what is it? Star, no, exclamation mark. A new car costs £20,000. My goodness, who'd spend that on a car? There you go, £20,000. It depreciates by 10%. Depreciates, goes down. There's the word depreciates. Depreciates by 10% per year. The question says, how much will it be worth when it is 3 years old? Okay, so 10% is going to be £2,000. So where are we now? That's after the first year. We are basically 20,000 quid less than £2,000, and that's going to be £18,000. That's what your car's worth after a year. Now here's the second year. We're going to take off 10% again. That's what it says. So it depreciates by 10% per year. So we got £18,000, and then if we do 10% of that, it's going to be 1,800. Fair enough. And therefore, in the second year, we've got £18,000. Take away £1,800, and that will give us. Let's take off 2,000. It will be 16. And pay back the extra 200. There we go, £16,200 after 2 years. Let's just check that. Yes, that's correct. Alright, now in the third year, 10% off again. So 10% of 16200, 1620 itself, just lop off that 0 just there, and we're going to deduct that now. So in the third year, we're down to 16200. Take away 1620. So let's just do a quick sum. 16200 by 1620. Just take it away like that. And 0 0 nothing. Borrow from you, give it to you. 8 borrow from you, give it to you. 11 take away 6 is 5. 5 take away 1 is 4. 1. And so after 3 years, this is horrific. We've had the car brand new to £20,000 after 3 years with a year-on-year decrease of 10%. The car's now worth £14,580, and all that without a calculator. Right. Fancy question 13. I don't know why, it's one of these horrible things with a star. So obviously I'm a glutton for punishment. I've got two little shops. I've got a shop here called Argos. Please note, not Argos for copyright reasons. Argos it is, but never mind. It says here £79.95, including the VAT. I've not read the story yet. I've got another place called PlayShop. Never heard of it. I bet it doesn't exist, again for copyright reasons. So I've got Argos and PlayShop, and this costs whatever it is in a minute, £68. Let's put pounds there and there, and we get to add VAT. And the question is, a games console is advertised for sale in two shops. There you go, Argos and PlayShop. VAT is added at 17.5%. So that's that. Which shop is cheaper and by how much? Well, this includes the VAT. I'm going to leave it alone. I just need to work out 17.5% of £68 and then work out the difference between Argos and PlayShop. So here we go, usual trick. We're going to work out 10% first of all of the £68. Well, that's £6.80. And then we're going to do 5% of the £68. Well, that's half of £6.80. £3.40, and the last 2.5% is going to be half the 5%, which is going to be £1.50 plus 20, £1.70. All together now, add up the VAT. 0, 12 and 7 is 9. Put the dot there, 19 rather. So anyway, 9 and 6, 10, £11.90 on VAT. Let's just do the total then. We've got £68 plus the £11.90 will come to £79.90. Here we go, £79.90. So the question is, which shop is cheaper and by how much? Well, thankfully Argos has already worked out for us. And who's cheaper? PlayShop. And it's cheaper by a whopping 5p. Haha, wonderful. Alright, let's give that a break now, and that's 8.3 increase or decreasing in amounts by a given percentage, and we'll look at part 4 in a mo.